Jeff's turning around and the truck turning around and going to the next landing. It's a slash there. He likes to have the loader swung off to the side so he can look to the back, to the front, out his side windows and door. I came out here to grind off some stumps with my hot saw. There's one right there. I had to get these out of here so a truck can turn around. The big news around here this morning is the impending snowstorm. We're supposed to get anywhere from 8 to, I don't know, 14, 15 inches over the next couple days. We'll see. I was going to show, I have to leave 5 trees per acre. And good ones to leave are like that guy there. And look at that one. Those are aspen. That one. Oh. Well, that one's dead. That doesn't count as a live tree. That counts as a snag. I'm going to show you one right here at the sunrise. Look at that guy. Now that's an ugly tree. Just some really ugly trees around here. And they're good ones to leave. So there's another one I left. A couple more I left. They got crotches in them or multiple tops. So that's what's going on there. I have to leave so many trees per acre. Let's see. While reserving, can you read that? While reserving 5 to 6 trees per acre of all species. Well, back here it's mostly aspen. That's why the aspen's getting left.
There as well.
They're talking about the snowstorm on the radio a lot this morning, the one that's coming. Make sure all your snow shovels are gassed up.
Temperatures will be in the mid-20s in the morning.
I don't know how much snow you can see in the air. It's almost noon, and it's starting to snow very light flakes, but a lot of them. The snowstorm isn't supposed to hit till after dark. Kind of curious what's going on. It might be just an early wave, I guess. Yeah, that's a bad thing there. That tree snapped and hung up in that tree. That's a widowmaker right there. You guys hand falling, boy. That stuff like that scares me. Not inside the machine here. I should be just fine. At first glance, it looks like there's a windstorm here coming across that opening and all those trees on the ground. But if you look a little closer, you can see they're cut off by beaver. This is all beaver damage. Beavers, they can make a mess. Several trees. There's a couple big ones there. They must not like the taste of them, because they started cutting those, or chewing on those ones, but they didn't eat them. So I'm going to pick up a couple of these trees that the beavers cut down. That's a beaver cut one. And I have one in the head right now that the beaver limbed. So they work good as delimbers too. So as I look at this crosshatch of all the different aspen out here felled by beavers, here's a little segment of Deep Thoughts with David. I think Black Dog 229, you're the guy that suggested that. But anyway, here's a deep thought. How many beavers get injured or killed from falling timber? It's got to happen, I would think. So this, for example, this aspen right here was fell right next to this tree, and you can see that this aspen was being chewed on. You know, an instance like that, if there was multiple beavers up here fallen, tooth fallen, not hand fallen, tooth fallen, would they potentially kill each other or something like that? Makes a guy wonder. Has anybody ever found a dead beaver like smashed under a tree or something? If you have, leave in the comments. I'd be curious to know. I'd appreciate it. Thank you. For those of you who don't know where the comment section is, you got to scroll down past all the suggested videos, and there it is. And feel free to leave me a nice comment. And those of you that don't want to leave me a nice comment, go ahead anyway. Takes all kinds. And the person that likes to leave me the dislike, you know, it hurts me a lot worse if you hit your dislike button with the sledgehammer. Just so you know. Thanks. I once told a forester that by us leaving, or this policy of leaving all these trees, you know, this 5 to 6 per acre, what they're really doing is contributing to the epidemic of obese birds, because they can't fly a quarter mile without stopping and taking a breather. No, well, they're for birds of prey to sit in, and for snags for woodpeckers for the future. There's reasons for it. But I thought it was funny to pick on that forester. He got a good laugh out of it. I just had a top break out of this tree. This is the top part of the tree. It drilled the top of the cab and slid off and sitting in front of me now. I was about to try to cut that double up there. Oh, I was trying to run the joystick with my elbow and I must have pushed the grab arm button. But I'm just going to swing to my right here, and hopefully it's tall enough that it's going to catch the boom, and it looks like it will, and off it goes. Yeah, that'll get your attention. The good news is we were able to drive to the back of the sale today. Saved us a lot of driving equipment back and forth to get fuel. So that's good, but we're supposed to get all that snow tonight, or starting tonight into Friday. So this is probably going to look a little different tomorrow morning. This is a tamarack tree. It's a needle tree that loses its needles in the wintertime. This tamarack tree right here, it's doing its best to try and impersonate a palm tree. What the heck? So I'm a guy that doesn't fish or doesn't really know much about fishing, but doggone it, the student of the month over there is making me try to fish. We got a couple tip-ups set up. We got a pretty good wind coming across this lake, and it's snowing a little bit, but it's Christmas Eve tomorrow, so what do you expect it to do, right? What is there, about 8 inches ice, 10 inches maybe? So finally used my chainsaw, and don't give me crap about how loose my chain is over there. Took out a hole in the ice because we're gonna try spearing. Well, we're trying this dark coast thing. That's our decoy down there. Let's see, we can make her swim. Got the little heater going. It's too late in the day, but we're trying to learn. In a galaxy far, far away. Wish these people would get more in the Christmas spirit. They only have decorations for a quarter mile along the highway. Hey, thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day, or had a great day, and hope the snowstorm misses you.